When it comes to workplace safety, there's no room for compromise. Welcome to OSHA Online Center, your trusted destination for OSHA-authorized safety training. Our programs are designed to keep you protected, aware, and job-ready. Whether you're a worker, supervisor, or business owner, OSHA Online Center has you covered. We offer over 1,200 training programs across industries like construction, healthcare, and manufacturing. And the best part is you can start instantly and learn at your own pace anytime, anywhere. No classrooms, no schedules, just flexible, self-paced training built around you. Get your instant downloadable certificate right after completion. Receive your official Department of Labor card after completing OSHA 10 and OSHA 30 trainings. Enjoy 24/7 access to your course materials. Affordable pricing with bulk discounts for teams makes training accessible for every organization. Our mission is simple: to help individuals and businesses create safer workplaces through high-quality, accessible training. Because safety isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility. So whether you're starting your career or upgrading your skills, take the next step toward a safer future today. Visit OSHAOnlinecenter.com and stay safe by grabbing your training today.